Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Elias from Primeval Art here. If you guys want to know how to ship out your artwork for the cheapest price, come with me and watch this video. Let's go. Alright, so after you have your artwork all wrapped up, just outline the box. You can use any box that you want as long as it's big enough for your artwork. Cut it out. Do the same for the other side. I like to place something under the box so I don't cut anything that's underneath it, like in this case would be my bed. I'll just sandwich them together. I like writing a note for my customer saying thank you, pack it up in a little slip, give them a free sticker, and after that tape it up, tape up the sides. I do it at least 3 times. Let me know if you would like to see a video on cheap shipping supplies. Alright guys, the reason why I like doing this is because if you were to buy a box from USPS, it would be very expensive. And if you were using an actual box for artwork that's not that big, especially in height, then you will be wasting a lot of money. After that, I like to put colored tape for a little bit more privacy. Alright everybody, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, let me know if this helped you out, and peace until the next video.